Got any lemons at home? Of course you do. So whip up this amazing recipe. It's sure to satisfy. I'll start off by pouring the eggs. I'll beat them with a whisk, adding the sugar as I go. Once they're beaten, I'll grate in the lemon zest and add the white yogurt. Now I'll slowly pour in the oil, as well as the lemon juice. Now for the powders. I'll mix the flour with the sifted baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'll pour it into the mix a little at a time. I'll pour it into a mold lined with parchment paper, and with the oven preheated to 170 degrees, I'll let it cook for 50 minutes. We'll let it cool and dust it with powdered sugar before serving.